Hi everyone. Today I'm going to recycle my bags from these little nice bags. They're really sturdy. I'm going to recycle and use the soil again and mulch it quite well for my seedlings. Stay tuned. Here and ready to clear them all out. You can reuse the soil, add some more fertilizer, and get it ready for your seedlings. These are my old bok choy, and these actually added vital nutrients, but I have to replenish it with some more. I pretty much got all my bags cleared out, and I'm going to soften it just with my hands, a little bit softening because these are well worked. And for my seeds, the bag to my greenhouse right here, nice and ready in my shelving, so I can start my seedlings. I'll start off with some organic Bloomsdale spinach right in my bag to put into my greenhouse. My soil, like I said, this soil can be mixed with a little bit more fertilizer to start. Here's my seeds. These little seeds are a little bit easier to plant because they're bigger. And we're going to put them in our soil. Nice little worm in there. We're going to drop our seeds. Our little markers. Break these things apart. And you get them, use them as a marker. Mark them for our Bloomsdale spinach. Our spinach.
Here I'm planting organic summer cucumber.
Cut for more spinach. Our spinach. And I'm just doing a little watering of them in our greenhouse. Little spritz of water. All our seedlings. We have plenty more to plant. This is what we got so far. And I brought some thyme, some herbs. Those seem to be a little bit more easier to start right now. By the time spring comes, you can plant them in the ground. See you next time for when our seedlings start sprouting. Start yours today. And we are happy to have you all on our journey with our Garden 2024. Lots more to come, guys. Happy gardening.